Hey everyone, welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to get a custom crosshair on Fortnite for Nintendo Switch. So since Fortnite doesn't officially support custom crosshairs on Switch, I'll walk you through the safest way to customize your aiming reticle using in-game settings and some smart tricks. Okay, so firstly guys, just launch Fortnite on your Switch. Once you're in the main menu, you can press the plus button on your console to open the menu, then select the settings gear icon. And now navigate to the HUD or Game tab in Settings, also it's called Game UI. Here you can adjust the reticle color, opacity and thickness. Switch offers limited options, but changing the color to something bright like green or pink helps your crosshair stand out better on any background. You can also increase the crosshair thickness for better visibility. Also, a neat trick is to switch to build mode and customize your reticle color there separately. This can give you a slightly different crosshair style during building, which some players prefer for clarity. Just make sure you tweak those settings to your liking. And that's pretty much it. While Fortnite on Switch doesn't officially support custom crosshairs, like on PC, these tips will help you improve visibility and comfort while playing. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe. And we will of course post more Switch Fortnite tips.